Today we are going to study the step towards making a project. The first step is to identify a problem or an area of study. So, before conducting a project, we need to identify a problem or an area of study. So, the first step is identifying a problem or an area of study. Then, next, after selecting an area of study, the next step is to select target group. So, the second step is choosing of target group. So the target groups were selected based on our area of study or the problem that was identified before. Then the third step is collection of data. From the target group, we need to collect data. So the third step is collection of data. After collecting data, we need to organize and present data properly. So the fourth step is organization and presentation of data. After presenting the data, we need to analyze and interpret the data. So fifth step is analysis and interpretation. For analysis and interpretations, we use various statistical tools such as averages, measures of dispersion, correlations, etc. Based on these results or interpretation, we can conclude our project. So the sixth step is conclusion. Conclusions mean drawing conclusions from our study. Then the final step is bibliography. Bibliography represent the secondary source of data used in the study. That means if we select or if we collect data from external sources, than direct collecting data from primary sources. If we use any secondary source of data, such as collecting data from magazines, newspapers, research reports, articles, etc., were considered as secondary source of data. So if we select or if we consider data from these secondary sources, we need to acknowledge it. That is bibliography. So bibliography represents the secondary source of data used in the study. So these are the steps involved in making a project. Thank you.